to MASVINGO or MASVINGO as they call it here. It's a beautiful, nice town. And we are back here at the resort for the Great Zimbabwe Rally. Right here, organized by Titanium. Clever's Lakeview Resort and Conference Center. Hello guys, so we are going to be going to MASVINGO town and then pretty much, see what it is all about, have first-hand impression of the town. Guys, if you're watching this video, you have not watched my previous videos. My name is TUKUMANA, fondly known as Dr. Sam or the ZedTraveller right here on this platform. And of course, I am in Zimbabwe for the 10th edition of the rally, motorcycle rally. And so I want you to stick around. Trust me, I've had a serious run. I came from Choma on Tuesday, and then the following day I was up and running for this rally, getting into Zimbabwe. So we're off now. Join us, guys, and that's it right over there. So let us go and have a first-hand impression. Yesterday when we came in, we did pass through town, but we never really it was in the night, so we couldn't experience the town. So behind there is Kid. So let's go, guys. Join us. Join us, guys. Boss, how are you? It's good today, bro. Yeah. It's okay. We have a lot of stuff to do. Huh? We are now in the CBD itself, MASVINGO. I would like to share just, a few notes for those of you that do not know about MASVINGO. So MASVINGO is actually formerly known as Fort Victoria, and this town itself is Zimbabwe's oldest town. Yes, it was founded in 1890 actually by the pioneer column. It grew around a colonial fort named after Queen Victoria, and today serves as the capital of MASVINGO province, located near the famous Great Zimbabwe ruins. By the way, it's not MASVINGO, it's MASVINGO. So the locals here pronounce it as such, MASVINGO. Welcome to MASVINGO, or MASVINGO as they call it here. It's a beautiful, nice town. The CBD looks to be rather small, but yeah, it superseded my expectation. It's basically a town. It's basically a town. It's basically a town. I actually thought it was just a portion, you know, where we passed yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a mining town, yeah?
Oh yeah, a mining town.
People here have mine.
Awesome. Lovely.
It's a mining town.
Uh-huh. Okay. So let us see what we can find here in the mining town. Wow, that looks like Graham's wife. Is she the one? Oh no, she's not. There.
She's in Zimbabwe.
She had come here. She had come here, so I don't know whether she's back in Zambia, but she's not the one. She just looked the same height, same hair color. I told you Graham is Zimbabwean, eh? He speaks Shona. It sounds funny. White guy speaking Shona. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, thank you.
Here's the entrance, right?
Oh, no, how are you? Very well. This is the entrance?
Yes. We can carry it.
All right. Hello, how are you?
Oh, I think they are leaving today.
Sorry?
I think they're coming today.
Oh, I see.
Left on Wednesday.
Why? You guys?
Like my friend, we are better than you guys.
Yeah.
You only have a few kilometers to carry off, but
Yeah.
so what do we need?
Bread. Water. Alcohol. I'm good, thanks. How are you? Awesome. Get a cannoli. Thanks. You
You need to stop putting headsets in your ears. Your ear is going.
No, I've got a ear problem.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I should have told us. So me, I am. But sometimes I'll be talking to you like this and you don't hear me. Then you're like, huh? I'm like, this guy, I've been speaking for like a good 2 minutes now. Like yesterday, you know, I was telling you, Keith, I've been speaking for 2 minutes, then you're asking me, huh?
Like my sister and I have one
My
day.
mom also. My mom.
It's very common about it.
My mom, you have to read. I think now she's become so good at. Thank you, Sisi. She's become so good at mouth reading. As long as it's French, boss. It has to be French.
I'm quite lousy at this. You need to pick.
But you have my brother here to help you.
No, he's not the one going to eat, boss.
He could have told you which one is French. This is pork,
That's chicken.
chicken, no?
It has to be pork or something else.
The French.
Yeah, very normal. Mm. Oh, mama. Oh, our friends. It looks like they also didn't go. Eh? It's not them. and we're now leaving MASVINGO town, going back to the resort. We came to get a few stuff right here at Spa, and we have back here at the resort for the Great Zimbabwe Rally. Right here, organized by Titanium. Clever's Lakeview Resort and Conference Center. Very African and very nice. Yeah. I just saw a monkey there. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I can't believe that happened. Yes, I was lost. You know, I made a stop to start filming our entrance. Yeah.
Because I was wondering, he was just behind us. How can he miss you behind?